Hey, hope you're all having a great day. This is kind of a continuation, and look at this gorgeous city. Traveling a bit, and I wanted to get some thoughts out that I believe are super important in terms of personal success. And it's a continuation of Hot Tub Confidential. This is Thoughts from the Terrace. So, all the things about business success, sales success, personal success are super, super important. But you know something that's even more important? And it's a difficult topic. It's planning for your future. You know, all of us, tomorrow's uncertain. We want to live for today, make the most of it, and that. And it's important to have, and what I mean by that is finding that balance between living for today and planning for your future ahead. I had so many nights I'd wake up worried about income. Is it going to be enough? Am I going to be able to pay my bills? Am I going to be out on the street with my family in a shopping cart? And it never happened. I had that fear a lot. The biggest secret, all the business success, unless you're planning for your future, and here's what I mean by that specifically, is if you don't have assets working for you, people or assets that are building money for you, that could be an investment. In my case, it was real estate and that rental properties. If you're not building that, if you don't have that working, so when you're sleeping, your money is continuing to grow. It's not based on your personal performance, unless you're an athlete. And that's another topic, is a lot of athletes and celebrities come into a lot of money. They don't have experience with financial issues. Boom, their money's gone in a few years after their peak performances. So get your army of assets and money working for you. Otherwise, you're going to be sweating it out. You're going to have a crappy retirement. Live your life. Definitely live a great life. My hair's a mess. I don't care. I'm posting this anyway. And but plan for the future. Have that working. We scrimped and we saved and built that asset base. And it's important that you get this. If you don't have your money working for you, if your money's not working while you're asleep, you're going to lose sleep. That's it for today.